Guru, made for you.
This is lesson 9-5, the multiplication with addition or subtraction method. This is the fourth method to solve a system of linear equations, and it is more commonly referred to as the linear combinations or the elimination method. My book just calls it the multiplication with addition and subtraction method, but you'll probably more commonly hear it as linear combinations or elimination method. So what is this method? Well, this method is not very different from the addition and subtraction method, but it enables us to solve equations that we would not be normally able to solve with the addition and subtraction method. So let's take an example here. We have 3x plus y is equal to 4, and x minus 2y is equal to 6. Well, we can't use the addition and subtraction method here because we don't have opposites of the variable. Like, we don't have 3x and negative 3x, or y and negative y, to cancel out one of the variables. So what do we do here? Well, we pick one of the equations, at least one of the equations, to multiply. So let's say we multiply this by negative 3. We would get negative 3x plus 6y is equal to negative 18. And these equations are exactly the same. So now we just have another equivalent equation that has one of the variables where we can cancel out. So we don't need this equation anymore. So now we have 3x and negative 3x cancel out. So we have y plus 6y is 7y is equal to negative 14. So y is equal to negative 2. So that is the method. And as before, we would just plug it back into the original equation. So we get 3x minus 2, because y is negative 2, is equal to 4. So 3x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 2. So our answer to this linear system of equations is 2, negative 2. And that is our answer. So that is basically the method. So let's try another one that's a bit harder. So let's try 0.4a plus 1.5b is equal to negative 5.7. And negative 0.2a plus 0.8b is equal to negative 1.8. So what here can we multiply to get two opposites of the variable? Well, we have 0.4a and negative 0.2a. So if you multiply the second one by 2, we will get 0.4a and negative 0.4a. So we can cancel the a's out. So we would get negative 0.4a plus 1.6b is equal to negative 3.6. So we can get rid of this equation. So now we would just cancel 0.48, negative 0.48 cancels. So we get 3.1b is equal to negative 9.3. So 9.3 divided by 3.1 is 3, because 1 times 3 is 3, is a dot, and then 3 times 3 is 9. So b is equal to negative 3, because negative 3 times 3.1 equals negative 9.3. So since b is 3, now we have to find a. So I'm going to plug it back into the first equation, because I like the first equation. So 0.4a plus 1.5 times negative 3 is equal to negative 5.7. So that would mean that 0.4a minus 4.5 is equal to negative 5.7. And 0.4a is equal to, if we add 4.5, we get 5, negative 1.2. Yeah. So a would be equal to negative 3, because negative 3 times 0.4 is what, negative 1.2. So since we have this, our final answer would therefore be negative 3, negative 3. And that is our answer. This is how you use the multiplication with the addition and subtraction method to solve a system of linear equations. Guru.